Who are you done bad for? Brittany. Duh.
You. The Red Power Ranger.
Oh, Face Susie and Colonizers.
Okay. My physics TA. You know, for fire. I'm down bad for yogurt.
Anime. Think fast.
I'm down bad for new milk tea poppy. Edamame, the song and the food.
My foundations team.
Johnny Juzang and Taylor Swift.
I'm down bad for the study and Charles at the study.
Down bad for down bad.
I'm down bad for meat fresh boba.
Keshi's upcoming album. Please just drop it.
I'm down bad for sunset picnics.
I'm down bad for acai bowls, I think.
I'm down bad for the best captain of all time,
Oh, well, there's this girl on the team. She's really funny, really pretty. Her name is Nikki.
My roommates and their voluptuous.
The down bad team.
Ricky's why is it so fast?
I'm down bad for your mom.
I am down bad for Shakira.
Yeah, we got some shit in the stash, way too many in the bag, yeah. Rode and did it for some cash, now a nigga do the dash, yeah. It's going up on a Tuesday, and every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, shit, ayy. This shit don't stop, every record live at the top. We be out of line, we do whatever we feel. We don't even try, have a little fun, do it for the love. That's your favorite song, me and make up. I'm like, baby, I know you see me. When you press play, don't leave me. Just call when you need me. 800 and Eazy. We can shut shit down. Need me a queen with a crown. Just call when you need me. 800 and Eazy. Yeah. Oh, that's so easy, girl. damn days. And now I got the chauffeur with the shoes and shows and chauffeurs. Whoa. Should have said damn anthem. Always. Still got a lot of men, no crack. Still got a lot of men, no lack. Still got a damn, no jacks. No joy, we toe tag. I take it to the land where the lake made of sand and the milk don't pour and the honey don't dance and the money ain't yours. That's the red pill. Got a blue and a handful of Advils. I'm the new nitty. Fucking nitty the old me. So I'ma tell the buyer what Nitty told me. I got that I got that goddamn. I'm your pusher man. I'm your pusher man. Pimp slapping, tongue tagging. I'm just trying to fight the man. I'm your pusher man. I'm your pusher man.
Give it up, y'all! Down bad! All right, can we just have a few words from the directors and the captain?
Hi everyone. I'm gonna be reading off my phone because I'm a little nervous, but I'm Nicole and I'm one of the co-directors of Team Down Bad. I just first want to thank everyone for coming out today. I also wanted to give a really special thank you to our guest choreographers, Wendy and Jen, for contributing your amazing talent to the team. We'd also like to thank Reed, Derek, and Brandon for training our team and passing down your knowledge about dance to them. We'd also like to thank Jeremy for cleaning up our set mix. We wouldn't have music if it weren't for you, so thank you. And to Team Down Bad. I'm gonna keep it short because I'll save the simpy stuff for later. But you guys know like how much we love you guys, and you know like no matter how stressed or busy we are, like Sharon and I and Elaine are always so excited to come to practice every Tuesday and Thursday, and like seeing your faces every Tuesday and Thursday. It was like genuinely like been a highlight of not just like the quarter, but like I already know for like my senior year. Like it's just been such a pleasure being your director. So thank you for always being so down bad for dance, and for all the hard work and dedication you put into this space. I know it's not easy with things like midterms and finals, but the fact that you guys come through every practice and give your 100%, not even 100%, like 120% every single time, it means like the literal world to us. And I know I kind of sound like a broken record at this point because I low-key say this like every practice, but just know that Sharon and I and Elaine will always be here and will always be Team Down Bad, regardless if we're practicing together or not. We love you guys, and you guys will always have a special place in our heart, so yeah.
I hate speaking, especially in front of so many people. That was actually one of the reasons why I told myself before I would never direct, because I can't imagine myself doing this right now, but I'm here. And honestly, I would never change this moment for anything else, because this is such a full circle moment for me, for when I was a freshman doing foundations for the first fall, and even I had Ivan as my director the first year. Also really thank you, my Nicole, for sticking with me through the ups and downs this quarter, and of course Elaine, our captain, and to our kids. It's really not often that you get to be on the other side of the foundations experience, and with that, you guys really have grown so much, not just as a dancer, but also as a person. And I know this quarter hasn't been easy for a lot of you, but seeing you guys from day one, getting closer every practice to this moment right now. It really, really touches my heart to see how far you guys have come. And I really see myself in many of you. And it's crazy because I know you guys are gonna go so far. And I hope you guys really understand how I'm feeling right now, because it's like a feeling you really can't express in words unless you really experience it. Yeah, and I don't know, it's just how crazy that a group of people that really hasn't danced before are so dedicated for, you know, these 9 weeks to something that is very vulnerable. So I don't know, you guys really motivate me a lot throughout this quarter. But yeah, those 5 minutes just now, it is everything we all three really wanted for you guys. And I really hope you enjoyed every second of it. And yeah, thank you for believing in us, believing in your team, and also believing in yourself.
Okay, does this work? Okay, cool. So, in order for tonight to be possible, there's a lot of thank yous in order. First of all, thank you to admin Elship for putting in so much work to make sure today was so excellent and seamless. To our lovely MCs, thank you. And also to the audience, thank you for coming out and supporting us. To my lovely directors, you guys are the backbone of this team. You guys put in so much effort to choreograph your own pieces and put together the set and invite, you know, all the guest trainers and choreographers, and just bringing such an infectious energy. So thank you, I love you guys. And finally to my team, I don't know, it's kind of surreal seeing everyone in the same shirt, so I don't know, I kind of like it. You guys, I love you guys. This is my first time captaining, doing dance in any sort of in-person capacity, and you guys are just the best dancers, friends, people that I could have asked for. Yeah, you guys really make this fall quarter special. We hope that you enjoyed, that you'll come back, either to Foundations or continue dancing. And yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for bringing, again, 120% to practice, sticking through with us, putting your faith in your dance L-ship, and choosing each other and choosing this team. Love you guys.
Let's give another round of applause for Down Bad! Oh man. I'm not crying. You're crying. That got to me. That was a tearjerker. Give it up one more time for Down Bad, y'all!